Hi everyone, this is Kyle with Kirksville Web Design. Today we're going to be taking a look at using templates and themes with Google Sites. I'm going to show you some different ways to get started and different methods to get started with templates. So the first one that you might be the most familiar with is from your sites.google.com screen. And when you hit the plus or scroll over the plus button here to start a new site, you may see the choose a template. So what this is, it loads in some of the basic templates that Google has provided, and you can use those here to get started. They're kind of loaded in with some. Oh, let's start one just to show you what it's like. Click on this one. Give it a moment. So yeah, it loads in with the colors and the fonts, and the theme is going to be there, and they give you some pages and some different page layouts. Wonderful. That's one way to get started in a basic way. The other way is to have a site that's already going. Let's say, let's just start a new site here, sites.google.com slash, or I'll just go sites.new. That starts a new Google site. Okay. So if you just look at the top right here in the themes panel, we can also import a theme. There you go. It said template gallery. So you can use the template gallery or you can import a theme here. Now, importing a theme isn't always the best idea because I'll take a look and you'll see. Let's say this template I just used. We'll start using that. So I select the theme, I import the theme, right? And so what it's importing is like settings for the text, settings for colors, and settings for there's not even images in here, but it gives you various settings. So maybe like the nav bar background color setting, right? But since you have like no content here, it kind of is lackluster. You don't really know what direction to take. It's not, I mean, it gives you the template, but not much else, not much other design direction. So that's kind of the drawback to using or importing themes in this way. What is a better alternative? You can go to a web designer, a Google Sites designer like us. You can look at their template gallery and you can download or install a theme that they have designed. So we have some themes for free, some templates for free. And what that does is it gives you past here, you can put in $0 if you want, get access for free. And what that gives you is access to a folder. This folder has all my Google Sites templates. So you can choose site to get started. And what we're going to use for the templating part of it is just making a copy. So our method here is to make a copy of the entire site and use that as the starting point. Use that as the theme or the template that we're starting with. So it would, we did this through the three-dot menu, making a copy. Normally it would import that into your own My Drive. Since this is my folder, this is in My Drive, so it just put the copy directly in here. So once you start, you'll see it loads in not only like the colors and the fonts that we saw with importing the theme and those kind of rules, but it's giving us all the design inspiration through the template. So that's the benefit of starting with a professional template and giving you page layouts and ideas and colors and fonts and so forth. It's great. So this is the preferred method of working with templates in Google Sites. Preferred way to access it, and just gives you a better foundation, a better start, and can lead to some really great sites. So that's how to use Google Sites templates in different ways. And I hope you found that informative. Again, my name is Kyle with Kirksville Web Design, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.